Welcome everyone, I am Dara. I hope you have a wonderful day. Today I'm going to show you Bad Neuenahr, Ahrweiler. This is a small town basically in West Germany, which is very famous for its thermal bath, for its high society life, for tasty wine and beautiful nature. The thermal bath of Bad Neuenahr is very famous and is very recognized by the high society of Germany. In the whole year you find a lot of people who come here, enjoy the nature and have a bath. For many years, especially older people try to come here and enjoy the steaming bath. Besides the bath you find very famous hotels. Inside of the building you will find also physicians and small shopping areas where you can buy clothes and other stuff. Many little stores are located at this town. You can find the finest art. The main place for the high society to check in for a visit is the Steigenberger Hotel. It's a famous hotel with a good cuisine and it's also at the city central of Bad Neuenahr, so it's very easy to get to all of the points you want to go. At the summer times mostly you find the outside area where you can have fresh grilled meat or fish. The Christmas decoration is very beautiful and changes every year. So now we're basically at the city center with the tower. This means peace, be quiet, healing bath.